Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. So I first just want to apologise for not getting any videos up just recently, but I've been a little under the weather. I'm still not feeling great, so this will probably be a shorter video than normal, but I wanted to get something out for you all. And before we actually get into the tutorial part, as you can see, I'm using a different font and settings within Mono Develop, and I did this in the hopes that it would make it easier for you all to see and read. So please let me know if you prefer this font down below in the comments, or whether you want me to return to the original. And depending on what you all say, or depend on whether we keep this these settings. I'm also using different settings for the screen capture and audio, so please again let me know in the comments if you find these settings better, worse, or whether you can't tell a difference, because your feedback in this is really helpful. But with that said, let's get into the video. So let's just get the rest of the script set up, and we'll start off. We've only got a few lines in for the void start, so let's get those in place. And first one will say next attack timer is equal to 0f. We'll close the line off into the comments, and next attack allowed. And again, please don't worry, it'll make more sense when we actually come to using that variable in later functions. So weapon cooldown, we'll just give this a value of 1.0f. We'll close the line off in the comments, cooldown before next attack. Time to use weapon, and let's give this a value of 3.0f. Again, we'll close the line off and we'll say reload time. And again, I may change this naming convention. I haven't decided whether to keep that one or rename it, but we'll deal with that once we've actually got the script finished. And current pistol clip, and we want equal the max on startup. So we'll close the line off, and we'll say current let's say current bullets in clip, and let's say equals max on startup. So with those in place, let's come below the void update, and we'll just get the voids in place that we're going to be using. So there's one private void, and we want reload will open and will close. The next one can be of type private, of type void, and we'll say pistol shoot. Again, we'll open and close and open and close again. And the next one I'm actually going to make public. And the reason for this one being public is that it's going to interact with another script, this function. So this one needs to be public, and we're going to say add pistol ammo. Open and close and open and close brackets again. We'll come inside these first set of brackets and we'll say int, and then we'll say underscore, and we'll say pistol ammo temp. And let's come here, private void, and then we want the onGUI function will open and close again. And as always, we'll get our debug.logs in place. So in reload, let's just copy and paste in the naming convention. And we'll just keep going. Let's copy the whole line in and just swap out the name. And for the last two functions, in fact, we don't need one in onGUI, so let's just get the one in for the add pistol ammo. And let's save that off there. And before we go, let's downsize MonoDevelop and let's come to Edit, Project Settings and Import. And let's increase the size. So we'll increase it by 1. And let's rename this to Reload. And as you probably guessed, I'm going to use button R. For reload, you can use any one we want, but we'll need that button created. And as I said, I don't think I'm going to do too much more in this lesson, but I promise you I'll be back. If I don't get another video done this week, I'll be back early next week and we'll really get stuck in and begin to fill out these functions. So, as I said, let me know if you prefer this font, this style with MonoDevelop, and let me know what you think of the audio and video quality. And like I said, the feedback really does help. So as I said, I think we'll leave it here for now. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.